Hi everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can delete a finished design in Canva. So here I have already on my Canva homepage, and I'm going to scroll down to see my design. So here is a list of my design, and I want to delete a finished design or a design in here. So what you need to do is you don't need to open the design. You can just click on the three dots icon that will appear if you drag the cursor into the design, and then here you'll find the option to move it to trash or delete it. Click on that, and then the design will be moved to trash. And to delete it forever, you can just go to trash and then click on the three dots icon again and click on delete permanently. Okay, so that's how. I hope this tutorial will be helpful to you. If you like this video, please don't forget to click on the thumbs up icon, leave a comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye.